Ever pondered over the challenges that the aerospace industry grapples with in its pursuit of materials that can endure the harshest of conditions? Picture a material that can withstand searing temperatures, resist creeping deformation, and yet remain as light as a feather. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? That's where the niobium alloy C103 comes into play. With a melting point of a whopping 2,350 degrees Celsius, C103 is the superhero of refractory alloys in the world of aerospace propulsion. Now you might wonder why this alloy is so important. Well, C103 is instrumental in crafting key propulsion components, especially the divergent portion of upper stage liquid engines for launch vehicles and those precise satellite thrusters for attitude orbiter control systems. Traditionally, these components are formed from larger sheets of C103 through a process known as flow forming. However, as you may guess, creating larger sheets poses strategic challenges and can ramp up costs significantly. Enter the proposal that we're focusing on today. This proposal aims to explore and unlock the potential of forming or spinning welded blanks of C103 sheet using friction stir welding, or FSW for short. The research objectives are as clear as daylight. First, it seeks to optimize the friction stir welding parameters for C103 sheets, with a goal of achieving over 95% weld efficiency. Second, it aims to delve into the microstructural and mechanical characterization of the FSW welded C103 material. Third, it aspires to investigate the effect of post-weld annealing on the microstructural and mechanical properties of the C103 alloy. Fourth, it intends to evaluate the formability parameters of FSW C103 blanks. And lastly, it hopes to demonstrate the formability and spinning of FSW welded C103 blanks, leading the way to the realization of a subscale nozzle divergent. The potential benefits of this research are immense. The deliverables include optimized FSW parameters for welding C103 sheets and an understanding of the forming and spinning capabilities of FSW welded C103 sheets. This could pave the way for creating subscale nozzle divergents and other critical components with enhanced performance and cost efficiency. In a nutshell, this proposal isn't just about pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with C103 alloy. It's about revolutionizing the aerospace propulsion industry, making it more efficient, more cost-effective, and ready to face the challenges of tomorrow. So as we delve deeper into the world of material science, the future of aerospace propulsion looks brighter and more promising than ever before.